Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel, where I provide you latest and most effective trading strategies for you. And guys, today I will share 1 minute Quotex trading strategy, and this strategy can help you to book huge profit from the market. If you are beginner, you are a mediator, or you are an experienced level trader, you can easily use this trading concept and you can book huge profit guys. Because today I will teach you a powerful technique of Donchen channel strategy, and this trading strategy used by many traders guys. Okay, they use it to identify the market trend and maximize their profit guys. Okay, so don't miss any part of this video. Everything is very important. I will discuss where to trade, how to trade, and guys for how much time we can trade guys if we are using this trading concept, and guys where we don't need to trade guys. Okay, this is equally important to know where we don't need to trade so that we can avoid our losses. Alright, so everything is very important guys. We will do live trading as well. So watch this video till the end, and guys hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and guys keep your notifications on so that you never miss any update guys. So guys, first we have to apply the trading indicator on our chart. So just click on this section and you can see here is our strategy guys. We can just click on it and we will use this trading concept with the by default values. Okay, so guys you can see this is exactly Donchen channel strategy guys, and here we can see there are three bands guys: this middle, this lower, and this upper band. Okay, so what we are getting, what idea we are getting from this indicator guys. Okay, before I explain this thing into the detail, make sure if you don't have your Quotex trading account, then create your account by using my link given in the description below of this video guys. You will get $10,000 of demo balance. Also guys, I provide high quality trading signals on my Telegram channel. You can just copy them and you can book huge profit with me. When I do live trading, I share my personal trading signals with you, and this is guys totally free of cost. Check out my Telegram channel link given in the description below of this video. So guys, we can see there is a green line and there is a red line, and you can see all the movements of the price is around only in between these green and red lines. That means we can see this green and red line are creating a form of channel of the price. Okay, and guys we can see the upper line is helping us to identify the highest point of the price, and the lower line, this red line, is helping us to identify the lowest point, lowest price of the market on the chart on a specific time period. Like we are calculating on 1 minute chart frame. That means all candles are of 1 minute, and on 1 minute chart frame guys, we can clearly see with the help of Donchen channel strategy, these all points are the highest point of the price, and these all points are the lowest point of the price. So now guys, how we can trade guys, how we can make the entries. Okay, so guys let me tell you one more thing. So guys, now you can see this is a current candle. Okay, and if this candle crosses the price below this lower line, okay, this is your lower channel, that means it's indicating us that the market can go deep and down. Then we can try to place our trades in downward direction after getting the confirmations, of course guys. All right, and on the other hand guys, if the price breaks the upper channel, okay, of Donchen channel in upward direction, that means it's indicating us a potential upward direction trend, and we can surely get some good entries in upward direction, and we can trade in up direction from here. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Now guys, to get some sure shots, we are going to apply a parabolic, and first value you can see this is by default 0.02, but we are going to use 0.04. So now guys, how we are going to trade? We can trade reversal guys, and to do reversal trading, keep in mind here guys, like this, here you can see this broke in downward direction, and parabolic is supporting from up to down. That means we can trade in downward direction guys. Hopefully we can trade in down direction, and I'm going to place my trade of $100 in downward direction guys. Let's see what will be the result of this trade. And because here you can see, as I told you, if the price break in lower channel in down direction, that means it's indicating us a potential downtrend. And guys, we are using a parabolic. You can see the position of dots is above the price. That means we can trade in down direction as per the parabolic strategy as well. Okay, so this is the basic concept, guys, of trading. And you can see I took a $100 investment in down direction. Let's see the result. What would be the result? Hopefully we are going to win, because this is going to be very close, guys. Okay, so we can't handle it. We can't make any changes, but let's see what will be the result. And hopefully we are going to win as per the strategy. And guys, we are trading in trend direction, but surely, guys, I will do some reversal trading as well. And you can see I booked the huge profit. Okay, let's change the asset. And one more thing, guys, as I told you earlier in this video, where we don't need to trade. If you getting such kind of donjon channel, guys, where you see market is moving in a range like this, then guys, you will not trade. Not in down, not in up. Okay, so this is the basic concept, guys. I am trying to explain this all concept in very easy, in very simple way, so that you can understand properly. See, here you can see if this candle, you can see 34 seconds are remaining. If this candles if this candle is going to break upper channel in up direction, then guys, I will trade in up direction. Okay, so this is the basic concept. And if not, guys, if not, then we can trade in reverse direction. So how we can trade in reverse direction? To trade in reverse direction, we need this parabolic, we need the position of this parabolic in upper side. So guys, if the candle is nearby at upper channel and parabolic is forming above the price, that means we can trade in down direction. So this is reversal trading. If I get the opportunity, then definitely I will trade, guys. Make sure, guys, you like this video and hit the subscribe button as well. Okay, you are not subscribing, so make sure you subscribe, you hit the like button. If you have any doubts, then you can surely comment below of this video. And guys, you can join my Telegram channel. So it will take time, guys, because market is sticking at this level. Let me change the asset. Now, guys, you can see this already broke, already in down direction. We can trade in down direction. So guys, you can see I took 2 trades in downward direction. What is the strategy? What is the concept? Concept is very simple, very easy. You can see this position of the parabolic is in up direction above the price. That means it's indicating us that market trend can go in down direction. Okay, and guys, we took few trades, 2 trades in downward direction, and let's see what will be the result, because market is getting rejected from here. But no problem, guys. If I will lose this $200, then I will try to recover in this video. And let me find some good asset so that we can make some good trading, we can make some good profits. Please watch this video, guys, till the end, so that you exactly get what is the concept, how you can trade, and how you can book the profit, guys. Okay, here we can trade, guys, in up direction. And now you can see I took 1, 2, 3 trades in upward direction. What is the logic? Logic is very simple, very easy. Here you can see the position of parabolic is in downward direction. This is your price, and below the price is the parabolic. So it's indicating us a up direction trade. Okay, on the other hand, guys, I can see this all the levels broken by the price in up direction, and you can see market is also breaking the upper channel of downtrend channel. That means it's indicating us for a up direction trend. But let's see what will happen, guys, because we are trading in OTC asset. So hopefully we are going to make profit, and let's see we will recover our losses or not. Okay, and guys, make sure you like this video, you subscribe YouTube channel, and keep your notifications on. Market is becoming too much volatile, but let's see what will happen, guys. Okay, so now you can see I made a loss of $500. So now, guys, it's time to recover my loss. Okay, guys, you can see this is going to, like, we can trade or not. I hope this will break the upper channel, but let's see. Let's see guys what will happen of our losses. I'm trying to recover guys. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you gain proper knowledge guys. Okay, how I'm trading, how I am analyzing the market, how I am going to recover my losses guys. All right, so let's wait, let's watch. USP. Okay, here guys I will try to trade in up direction here, and after few seconds guys. All right, because you can see this is an upper band and market will try to go in up direction. Okay, and volume. Let's see guys what will happen, what is going to happen. And now guys you can see I took too many trades in up direction. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is our final trade, and hopefully guys we are going to recover our losses and we will make huge profit guys. Okay, now what is the reason guys? Because last candle took a retracement, so that's why we made a loss. But as per the analysis, last candle also made a breakdown in up direction, and hopefully that's why market is going in up direction. Okay, so I took 1 2 3 4 $2,000 of investment in upward direction. Let's see the result guys. Hopefully we are going to win this trade and we are going to make huge profit guys. Okay, huge profit. So let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch what will be the result, what will be the accuracy of this trading strategy guys. It doesn't matter if we make 1 2 3 trades losses, but overall we are making the profit if we are using any concept. That's very important guys. Okay.